Surprised? Maybe you should be, because actually guys, this is the first time we analyze the Bitcoin on our channel. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So actually guys, I'm not really a big fan of trading Bitcoin because in my opinion, it doesn't really rely on much fundamentals. It's purely technical and somehow based on the pressure. I mean, it's just so much demand, depending on the high supply and demand, and there is not really fundamentals. You cannot really trade it like gold or dollar or forex, you name it. I mean, there is really nothing that can affect the Bitcoin or the crypto in general. However, let's now analyze the Bitcoin and let's see now what are the good stuff that is waiting for us for the next week. Actually, if we look right here at the weekly chart, the weekly chart shows us right here that the market has indeed reversed from the bracket of 46,000, and that level of a resistance is actually holding the position. It's actually very strong, and remarkably, we're having here in the middle of the zone of the resistance one fake breakout, and also right here one long wick on the top of the candle. So that's of course indicating a pressure from these sellers to keep pushing the Bitcoin to continue falling till it reach the support at 38,000. Now, where exactly can we start trading this pair? Actually, we will be looking to short the pair. After those attempts of resistance right here and this many candles with long wicks at the top, that also indicates a strong pressure from the market to continue the fall. Now, by moving to the daily chart, however, and by applying the magic of resistance trend lines, now as you can see right here, we do have right here a continuation with that level of a real level of a resistance trend line. It became here also a support trend line for only one attempt, which of course couldn't hold the position due to the pressure on the weekly chart. And right here, the same level of a real resistance trend line has indeed been respected. So the market seems like it will continue the fall. So therefore, I would highly recommend to sell the Bitcoin exactly right here at the same level of that real level of a resistance trend line. And just to have a safest entries, we will actually choose this level right here to be as our take profit level. Now, let me just go to the 4-hour time frame right now. So right here, based on the 4-hour time frame, I want to first of all check the broken levels of support and resistance trend lines. Now, wait a minute. Now, as you can see, of course, because the market is actually live right now, the Bitcoin market is live. I'm not sure about the other brokers, but in IC markets, this pair is actually live right now. Let me just now show you that if we are looking right here at this level of a broken support trend line, we can notice clearly that we had right here, of course, a channel or actually a triangle, which actually faced one fake breakout in the middle. And right here, we are having a resistance trend line. So now, we are having here, of course, a broken level of the support trend line. And right here, we have, of course, the bearish breakout from that level. So I think it's going to be a great idea to wait for the market to rise again, retest the broken level of the support trend line. And of course, we will see if there is any strong resistance on the left side to be respected. Let me just draw now the horizontal level of a resistance. And as you can see, there it goes exactly right there. This level has actually been a strong level of a real support, also a real level of a resistance, as we can see multiple times, also a real level of a support as well, and recently a strong resistance. So therefore, I would highly recommend to sell the Bitcoin exactly at 42,534.13. That's gonna be our sell level for this pair. And for the take profit level, just to have a safest entries, I'm going to choose this level right here to be as of our take profit level, the lowest level of a real support. So that's going to be, of course, take profit number, the take profit at 40,000 not point. I'm used to type point 194. Wait a minute, guys. Sorry about that. Exactly just like the 40,194. Now for the stop loss. Now, since we are actually mainly relying on this level of a support trend line, that means that if the market will actually be able to reach this level of a resistance, it means that this whole setup is not valid. For that reason, I would recommend to choose this level right here as of our stop loss, because right here, this is of course the highest level of a resistance. And if the pair will be able to reach this level, that means that the setup is no longer valid. So therefore, our stop loss on this setup will be right here exactly at 43,759.53. And there goes, my friends, our deal for tomorrow, Monday. Hopefully, guys, it will be a profitable one, and hopefully it will be a good deal. And of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If I noticed any movement against our direction, I will update you right here directly on my Telegram channel. You can find the link to this channel in the description below of this video. You can join it for free. It will not cost you anything, and you will actually receive direct updates from me personally on this Telegram channel. This Telegram channel is officially the one for Xtreme Trader and for my name. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.